Meet a human body in stunning 3D detail as we explore the effects of Red Bull from the first sip to full body impact. Watch as the beverage enters the stomach, mixing with digestive fluids and releasing vital nutrients into the bloodstream. Glowing particles travel through the intestines, fueling every cell with energy and vitality. Observe the brain lighting up with heightened activity, neurons firing rapidly, while muscles absorb nutrients, becoming stronger and more responsive. The gut microbiome thrives, glowing with renewed health, and the entire body radiates an energized core, a wave of alertness spreading through organs and limbs. But not everything is purely positive. Overconsumption may cause stomach irritation, red inflamed tissue, and even trigger allergic reactions. Glucose spikes surge through the bloodstream, and fatigue can follow as cellular energy wanes once the stimulant fades. This cinematic journey showcases both the energizing benefits and potential side effects of Red Bull,